So the 1 year course is really a chance for actors to bolt together everything it takes to be a screen actor. So they've been working on auditions, they've been working on voice, they even learned some accents along the way, they did some general American, they did some RP.
Oh wow.
Also looking at some of the technical side of screen acting versus stage, and they've had a really great chance to work with people like Mel Churcher, who's taught Angelina Jolie, Daniel Craig. They've also worked with Stevie Davies, who's a casting director, really to pack in as much content in 1 year as possible. And then they've shot 2 short films and put all of that into practice on a real set.
I believe, maybe you can tell us about it, they get spotlight recognition as well.
That's right. At the end of the course, all of them are eligible to apply and get themselves on Spotlight. And of course, their pages are looking pretty good because they got their headshots from Yellow Belly, which they get in the course as well. They got plenty of showreel material that they've been filming throughout the year. And then they're going to have a credit from the film that they're in at the end. So their spotlights, by all accounts, should be looking pretty good.
On top of the fact that it's a course that kind of fits in with a lot of people. I mean, I think a lot of people in this day and age, they can't just suddenly go, right, I'm going to go to drama school for 3 years, which is obviously going to cost them a fortune, and it also means that they can't do any other work. So I think one of the good things about doing the 1 year course is, for a lot of people, it suits them. It's evening sessions and then weekend sessions, so people can also keep on a full-time job.
Yeah, because they're doing stuff online and then they're doing it in persons at the weekends here at Pinewood. So it's that sort of happy balance, and it's great because they can still go out and earn money and live a life and then learn acting on the side.